Hey everyone. My partner and I just bought a new home, and that means I have a space to build a ultimate dream studio. We are just about to break ground on the project, and I wanted to film each step along the way so I can share the process with you guys. The first video will be us taking a look at the raw blank canvas before any of the work begins. Let's go check out the space. Yeah, so this is the space. This is a double garage attached to our main house, and it's pretty much a big square with nice tall ceilings. We've got 10'7" ceilings, and that makes for a really nice amount of vertical space to be able to put the room in. It's concrete slab floor, so it's cold. We're gonna need to insulate that, but otherwise we have quite a bit of separation between us and our neighbors. We're on an acre lot, and we've got neighbors this way, and then we've got neighbors on this side, but they're not super close. So we don't need to worry like some studios do about a lot of isolation. We're mainly worried about the acoustics inside the room. You know, sound bleed will be a bit of an issue, and we are keeping that in mind. So one of the things that we are going to be doing is removing those windows. So those windows, one, are expensive and valuable. They're double pane brand new windows. So we can use those in some other thing that we build in the future, like rebuilding a garage in a different place. But for now, they also are a bit lossy. There's sound that bleeds through them. So we're gonna take those out. And the other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take down this garage door. That's not gonna be needed, and they're also expensive. So we're gonna keep that for a future build of a new garage, and we're gonna block off the existing garage door opening to make this a closed structure. So that's the basics of the room. There will be lots more to come. We just got all of our building materials here this morning, and we're about to break ground on the project. So I'm excited to take you guys along for the journey with me, and I hope you find this useful and educational and interesting.